भी पढ़ा।
Okay, acha. What has happened till paragraph 2?
Damon gave the most money and they wasted it all.
Who are the two main characters in the story?
Anthony and Damon.
Anthony and Damien. And what happens? Where does the story begin? What is the
Them
background to
coming
the
home.
story? First of all, what is the background to the story?
A lot of cash falls from the sky on the feet of the two brothers, and they have to spend it on like a limited amount of time.
In a limited amount of time. And when the story begins, what is the background? Where, at what point does the story begin?
Anthony complaining
Assalamualaikum,
to
ma'am.
Damien.
Walaikum assalam, Ahmed. Yes, Rafi?
Damien saying to Anthony that we didn't give him enough money.
No. I'm talking about where has the story begun on page number 201.
They are returning
आपकी
home.
क्लास नहीं है पारो ठहर के आपकी क्लास ठीक है 11 o'clock है मेरे बेटे की क्लास मुझे नहीं याद इस वक्त बेटे मुझे इस वक्त क्लास ले लेने दें जाए नीचे जाके दादू के पास बैठे बिल्कुल ठीक है करवा दूंगी जी बच्चे where does when the story begins in paragraph 1 what is the immediate background whom have
Yeah,
they
okay.
given the money to so that they can help the poor to whom what's the name of the neighbors to whom they gave money so that
Saints.
they could help the poor people
Saints.
the saints very good and another person who was the other person whom they gave some money
A
Strange
Stranger.
stranger.
man.
a strange man was it a little amount of money or was it a large sum of money
Was a lot of
Large.
Large.
sum of money and do you think that person was also needy
yes. He
Yes.
looked needy.
he looked needy to the boys. It's not necessary that the boys, that the man was really needy. Now, when the story opens, we see that Damien and Anthony, they have taken a different route to reach home just to be on the safer side because they don't want that strange looking poor person to follow them home because they can be, according to according to Anthony, poor people can become very greedy and money makes them act in weird ways now what happens is once they stop their car what they see in front of them is a very um, different scene what is the scene as suggested in the illustration what is the scene that they view in front of their neighbor's house
Shopping spree or haul.
Yes, a shopping spree. What are the different items that the saints have bought?
Blender,
Dishwasher, 2
microwave,
TVs.
One person at a time, please. Yes, Hisham.
televisions, blender, microwave,
Very good.
DVD
Television,
player.
blender, microwave. It's basically not just any television, but two plasma televisions, two plasma screens. Okay, and what else, Ahmed? What else have they bought?
Food spa, DVD player, a
DVD,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
and GameCube.
and a GameCube. Very good, very good. 7 items to list basically. And is why is Anthony upset? Is he upset because the people they have spent it on themselves and not on the poor? Or is he upset because they were able to spend the money the way they wanted?
They were able to spend.
It was because they were able to spend. And what does he say? How does he compare them to himself?
Look at all the stuff they got and what have we got.
What have they got? What does he say? What have they got? Why do we have this um, why do we have this Oxfam over here? Why was this mentioned?
It is a worldwide charity
ये मुझे भी
organization
नजर
which
आ रहे राफे, पढ़ तो मैं भी सकती हूँ,
they
मैं
thought
पूछ के रही हूँ, मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि ये ऑक्सफैम का क्यों जिक्र इधर आया था?
मैम क्योंकि एंथनी को लगा था that if they were going to give the money they would give to Oxfam.
No,
एक्सप्लेनेशन दूसरी होगी, नहीं और तो ये
नहीं, ये नहीं लिखी होगी। ऑक्सफैम का इधर जिक्र जरूर है। ऑक्सफैम मैंने आपको बताया था, इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल चैरिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मगर उसका ताल्लुक क्या था यहाँ पे? The purpose was that he compares the stuff the saints have bought with the stuff that they themselves have bought. ठीक है, जो खुद उन्होंने चीजें खरीदी थी उनके साथ कंपैरिजन जब वो करता है सेंट्स की बाई हुई चीजों का, तो वो कहता है कि हमारे पास क्या है? जंक, जो कि लोगों ने वैसे भी चैरिटी में ऑक्सफैम वालों को दे देना था, हमने अपने पास वो सारा जंक जमा कर लिया है। ठीक है, सही है। अच्छा, then later on, what does Anthony have to say to Damien when he says ke, look at like when money is given to the poor, how do poor act? What is the philosophical thing that Anthony has to say?
That when you give someone money, they are poor anymore.
They aren't poor anymore. They become more
Greedy.
money-ish. See, to quote again, is money-ish a word?
Nope.
Money, there is no such word as money-ish. Okay? He just makes up this word. It's basically, we will call, when you make your own word or when you use a word according to your own meaning, we call it a jargon. Okay? It's called jargon, just to let you guys know. So money-ish over here is basically a jargon that he had, made on his own. What do you call it? Damien did. So that was, okay, we will read the last paragraph and then you will come to paragraph 3. Okay? I'm going to read this chunk from here and then we will come to paragraph 3. So that was when I had, look, Damien, if you give poor people money, what happens to them? They stop being poor, obviously. And if you're not poor anymore, what are they? They're the same as everyone else. So that was when I had this worrying thought. What if giving people more money just makes people more money-ish? And if it does, what's all the money for? What can we do with it? Now, this is something to think of. This is something to ponder about. Okay? If you get money, then you're not poor anymore. Okay? And when you're not poor anymore, and everyone has enough money, what will we do with all this money eventually? What if money loses its value? What will we do then? Have you ever thought of it? Do we think on these terms ever? कभी सोचा है? जवाब
वैसे अगर पैसे की वैल्यू खत्म हो जाए तो फिर गोल्ड कॉइन भी तो चला सकते हैं।
नहीं, लेकिन अगर देखो मनी की, गोल्ड की वैल्यू ही खत्म हो जाए, उसकी वर्थ ही खत्म हो जाए, तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे?
तो इंसानों की वर्थ हो जाएगी फिर।
spent money.
शायद
We'll be back to barter trading. Do you remember what barter trading was?
no.
अच्छा देखो, इनिशियली व्हेन ह्यूमंस एग्जिस्टेड, तब तो कोई कॉइन्स, कोई पैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे, ठीक है? सो द इनिशियल फॉर्म ऑफ बाइंग थिंग्स वाज कि जी मेरे पास, लेट्स से आई हैव सम ग्रेन्स, और लेट्स से कि अमीरा के घर में फ्रूट का ट्री है, और मेरा दिल चाह रहा है कि अब अमीरा के पास लेट्स से कि एप्पल ट्री है, तो मैं अमीरा को कहती हूँ कि देखो अमीरा, आई हैव गॉट सम ग्रेन्स विद मी, वुड आई गिव यू अ बोल ऑफ ग्रेन जो कि तुम्हारे डेफिनेटली काम आएगा। लेट्स से आई हैव अ बोल ऑफ राइस, यू टेक अ बोल ऑफ राइस फ्रॉम मी एंड गिव मी 3 एप्पल्स, ठीक है? नाउ अमीरा गिव्स मी दोज 3 एप्पल्स, Along comes Ahmed. Ahmed says कि जी मैंने घर में मुर्गियां पाली हुई थी and now I have 6 eggs. Why don't you take these eggs and give me 2 apples and half a bowl of rice? ठीक है,
I
तो मेरे
want the
पास
whole
जो
tree.
एप्पल्स हैं और जो मेरे पास राइस है, मैं वो अहमद के साथ एक्सचेंज कर लेती हूँ इन एक्सचेंज फॉर दो 6 एग्स, हाफ अ डजन एग्स. ठीक है, यानी जो चीज मेरे पास है वो अगर किसी और को चाहिए और उसके बदले में वो मुझे कोई और चीज ऑफर कर रहा है, तो बेसिकली इस तरह से पहले चीजें एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज की जाती थी या खरीदी जाती थी. इसको हम कहते थे बार्टर ट्रेडिंग. दैट वट एवर गुड्स आई हैव, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट टू समबडी एज करेंसी. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ करेंसी आप अपनी चीजें आपस में एक्सचेंज कर लेते थे. छोटे होते हुए हम क्या करते हैं, जब छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो लंच में अपने साथ जो चीजें लेकर जाते हैं, साथ में उनका फ्रेंड बैठा हुआ होता है. द फ्रेंड हैज समथिंग दैट आई लाइक एंड आई वांट टू ईट. देखो तुम मुझे अपने पेप्सी का एक सिप दो, मैं तुम्हें अपने बर्गर की एक बाइट दूंगी. ठीक है, इवन दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट
How
माय
is
चिल्ड्रन
that?
डू. ठीक है, इब्राहिम तुम मुझे अपनी कॉर्नेटो का एक बाइट दो, तो मैं तुम्हें अपनी आइस लॉली की एक बाइट दूंगी. करते हैं ना बच्चे.
अपनी बहनों के साथ भी करती हूँ. मैं
हाँ.
अपनी बहनों के साथ अभी तक करती हूँ.
See, you are barter trading. That's when you are barter trading. ठीक है, चलें. उसके बाद फिर eventually some people discovered कि जी गोल्ड भी कोई चीज होती है, जेम्स होते हैं. जब लोगों को with time when people started spreading around the world and they found out that you can mine things, mine में से जाके ores निकाल सकते हैं, and they realized the value of gold, they realized the value of silver, and they started finding different gems. तो फिर उनको वैल्यू पता चली कि अच्छा भाई ये तो चीजें वैल्यूएबल भी हो सकती हैं, वरना इनिशियली ये जेम्स तो तब शुरू में भी थे, कोई इनको पूछता भी नहीं था. ठीक है, गोल्ड तो हमेशा से था, लेकिन क्योंकि इसकी वर्थ नहीं थी, दैट्स व्हाई, बिकॉज द थिंग्स वर नॉट कंसिडर्ड वैल्यूएबल, दे वर नॉट वर्दी. ठीक है, इनिशियली यही चीनी, आटा, दालें, कपड़ा, जूते, ये चीजें वैल्यू की होती थी, इसलिए एक दूसरे के साथ. अब जिस तरह फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने जूता लेना है तो मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं दे दूंगी कि जी टेक हैंडफुल ऑफ सॉल्ट. अच्छा, सॉल्ट was initially used as money in the most earliest form of currency. Salt or lumps of salt were very valuable. और ये कहाँ से आया था? It was because people from क्या कहते हैं, from the Mediterranean region, they used to trade with the Arabs. ठीक है, अरब्स ने क्या करना शुरू किया कि इनके पास सॉल्ट था. ऑब्वियसली ये लोग क्या कहते हैं, उधर से समंदर में से सॉल्ट कल्टीवेट कर लिया करते थे, इनको तरीके आते थे इजिप्शियंस को और अरब्स को. इन्होंने क्या किया कि इन्होंने वो सॉल्ट ग्रीक्स के आगे बेचना शुरू किया. ठीक है, एंड दोज ग्रीक्स, because they were like, आप अभी भी मेडिटेरेनियन कुजीन को देखें तो it does not have many spices in them. ठीक है, it is basically bland. The food that the English people or the Europeans eat, it is usually bland. It does not have many spices or many much of salt or pepper in it. The reason being that they did not have salt. ठीक है, and so what happened? The Arabs, they gave, they traded salt with the Greek traders. When salt reached Greece, obviously the people in Greece, they were the Greeks. They started using it in in their food. They realized that it makes the food taste wonderful. So, and because Greeks were a very strong nation, they had a very strong army. The army was paid in salt. Salt was the pay, your monthly pay. And from the word salt, and from the idea of giving salt as monthly pay for your services, we have the word salary. Did you know that?
Plot twist.
Yes, here is the plot twist. But You will always remember this now, that salt was initially given as a pay for your services, monthly pay for your services. Because salt was given as your monthly pay for services, it is, today we have the word salary, in which SAL, sal, represents salt. And then ari is the prefix to the word salt. ठीक है? सो इसीलिए क्योंकि नमक आपके खानों को, आपके एंड सॉल्ट्स जो हैं वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरी भी होते हैं, तो और क्योंकि सॉल्ट की वर्थ थी, इसलिए अब सैलरी की भी वर्थ होती है, ठीक है? जो आप हमें हर महीने जो तनख्वाह मिलती है, उस तनख्वाह को हम सैलरी कहते हैं, ठीक है? एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी अर्न आवर bread and butter, we earn our salt, ठीक है? There is this proverb to earn your salt. All right. Amna Minhas, I'd like you to start reading from here.
After supper, there was a knock on the door. Dad answered it, and it was one of the saints carrying a little box and looking very anxious. Anthony and I were washing up. We looked at each other nervously. Probably going to ask for more money, growled Anthony. The saint said he had an idea he wished to share with us. He opened his box and took out a tiny camera. This is a security camera, CCTV. It mounts easily to the door lintel using the bracket arrangement here and then hooks up very simply to your domestic television. Anthony sniffed bitterly and said, "Television or televisions?" The saint didn't notice but went on. "We're most anxious about this very high likelihood of a burglary in the area. Our neighbor, Terry, says he has seen a suspicious character and, of course, we must protect our property. This camera could be most useful in this regard. We have bought 3 such. We wish to position one with a clear line of vision across the main point of access to the close, from your front door to number 3. The ideal positioning would be your lintel. Would you be willing to assist the community in this way?" I said, "I thought you didn't mind about burglaries. I thought you didn't care about earthly goods." "Well, of course, in a sense, this is true. But if we do not have security, then we are tempting the burglar, aren't we? And so tempting him into sin. We therefore become assistants to the sin. The camera comes with reactive halogen lighting, which has a prohibitive effect."
Has a
"Great,"
prohibited
said Dad. "Great," said Dad. I went to bed.
Yes. What is happening in paragraph 3? Very simple. Who will explain?
He's constantly teasing or you say stuffing at the monk while they're having the conversation. But the monk is ignoring all of it and just saying what he wants to say.
Exactly.
He's in need of a camera.
Exactly. He wants them to install, he wants to install 3 cameras. Now, why do you think he looks, first of all, why do you think he looks very anxious? Yes, why do you think he looks very anxious? The saint.
Maybe he's had a camera for the first time.
He is basically worried. Anxious means worried. He's worried because there's a lot of money, and only a few hours ago, he has bought such luxurious items worth a lot of money. And now he's worried that he might lose them and there could be a burglary. Now, basically, he wants, and then he quotes, over here, he explains the functioning of the CCTV, how this CCTV works. And while the boys, remember, the boys are in the background washing up, that is, washing up their hands and brushing their teeth before they go to bed, before they retire to bed. Now, what happens is that he says that you can attach it to the lintel. Lintel is the upper portion of your door, where you can easily arrange, attach the cameras. You must have seen how the cameras are usually right above the door of your main house, okay, of your, yeah, the main door of your house. So when he says that it hooks up simply to your domestic television, Anthony sniffed bitterly. Anthony is still upset. He's showing his bitterness. He's showing his um, slight anger or frustration. He says, television or televisions? See, we're the one who has a television. You're the one with plenty. You've got more than one. So he's being sarcastic over there. We can simply say that he's being sarcastic. इतनी horrible writing मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं की कभी. ठीक है? This is sarcasm over here. Now, what does Mr. Saint do? He ignores. He chooses to ignore and goes on explaining how another neighbor named Terry thinks that that he's spotted a suspicious character in the neighborhood, and that there could be a burglary. And to avoid this burglary, let us collectively take precautionary measures and protect our valuables. And we've chosen, he says that we've chosen 3 different points, and from which 3 different angles from which we can keep an eye on our houses, on each other's houses, and make a secure zone for our homes. And so you are in the main point of access, it's better that you get one installed in your home as well. And then Damien, that is Damien says that I thought you didn't mind about burglaries. I thought you didn't care about earthly goods. Again, this is irony, this is sarcasm. He says कि मेरा तो ख्याल था कि आपको तो दुनियावी चीजों की जरूरत ही नहीं है, आपका तो उनमें कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. क्या नाम है, आपको क्या परवाह कि बर्गलरी हो रही है कि नहीं. तो what does he have to say? जी बेटे,
मुझे फोन गिर गया था वैसे क्लास लेते हुए, लेकिन ठीक है, कुछ नहीं हुआ. इतना बुरा
मैं क्लास ले लूं प्लीज.
दूसरा सारा काम हो गया.
अच्छा. Well, of course. Acha, over here he says, well, of course, in a sense, this is true. कहता है मुझे अभी भी कोई खास परवाह नहीं है, ठीक है? I still don't care. But if we do not have security, if we're not being careful, now look at how he's going to explain or how he's going to cover up for himself. He says, see, because वो saints है ना, नेक लोग हैं ना, तो इसलिए किस तरह से वो अपने आप को cover up कर रहे हैं. He says, exactly. If we don't have security, then we're tempting the burglar. फिर तो हम burglar को tempt करें ना कि अच्छा इस घर में तो कोई security नहीं है, मैं इधर जाके चोरी चकारी कर लूं. And then क्योंकि हम उसको tempt कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम उसको खुद दावत दे रहे हैं कि आओ एक गलत काम करो, तो इसलिए हम उसके गुनाह में बराबर के शरीक हैं, हम उसके assistants to the sin हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? कि क्योंकि हम कोई सिक्योरिटी, क्योंकि हम कोई प्रिवेंटिव मेजर नहीं ले रहे, क्योंकि हम उसको चोरी करने से कोई बैरियर नहीं उसके लिए क्रिएट कर रहे, इसका मतलब है कि हम उसको दावत दे रहे हैं गुनाह की तरफ, तो हम गुनाह में बराबर के शरीक हैं. दिस इज हाउ, सी, sorry to say, but isn't that how most of the time the wrong kind of religious preachers deal with the public?
Yep.
है ना?
Especially priests.
Exactly. आपको religion के नाम पे लोग जो हैं वो manipulate करते हैं, ठीक है? And अभी recently, चलो I'll discuss it once we finish this. बेटे मेरी क्लास हो रही है जान. The cameras, आज तो क्लास हो गई पूरी. The cameras come with reactive halogen lighting. which has a prohibitive effect. I have no clue what this means. मुझे जो समझ आ रही है इस line की, it means halogen is basically a powerful light. You must have studied this in chemistry. Halogens पढ़े? Halogens होते हैं यार जिस तरह, have you ever seen
Balloon.
a sports match? कभी कोई
Yes, ma'am.
नाइट टाइम स्पोर्ट्स देखे हैं?
जी
Wait, I'll look it up. Light. ठहरो, सिंपल ये देखें, इस तरह की लाइट्स देखी नहीं है ना?
जी
ठीक है यार, ये चलता किस तरफ है? ठहरो, हाँ ये वाली लाइट्स भी देखी नहीं होंगी स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम्स वगैरह में, जब कॉन्सर्ट्स वगैरह होते हैं तो इस तरह की लाइट्स के साथ ना इनको लाइट अप किया जाता है जगहों को, ठीक है? बेसिकली हैलोजेंस जो होते हैं दे आर हाईली incandescent, that is they give off a lot of light. ये जो हमारी ट्यूबलाइट्स होती हैं या ये जो आजकल हमारे ये चल रहे हैं वो कौन से वाले एनर्जी सेवर जो बल्ब्स चल रहे हैं, ये फ्लोरेसेंट होते हैं. फ्लोरेसेंट जो होते हैं दे डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस हीट बट दे गिव ऑफ लाइट. On the other hand, halogen lights जो होती हैं they give off a lot of heat along with producing light, ठीक है? And their light is more brighter. The fluorescent light is softer, ठीक है? ये जो हमारे घरों में ये ट्यूब लाइट्स चल रही होती हैं या जो ये हमारे वो जो ये अभी एनर्जी सेवर
LED
होते हैं, इनकी लाइट जो है वो सॉफ्ट होती है और कूल लाइट होती है, ठीक है? जबकि आप स्टेडियम वगैरह में जाओ या अगर कभी फोटो शूट करवाया है, कभी किसी शादी वगैरह पे गए हो, तो वहां पर जब वो जो फोटोग्राफर के साथ जो लाइट होती है, कभी देखा है वो लाइट जैसे ही ऑन होती है तो कैसे गर्मी लगती है?
इस तरह की
जी,
लाइट से थीफ जो है वो अंधा भी हो सकता है और जल भी सकता है.
हाँ
ये काम किए.
That is exactly what I understand. The camera comes with a reactive halogen light. Reactive का मतलब है कि when the just like आप गीगा मॉल जाओ या किसी मॉल वगैरह पे जाओ तो क्या होता है कि when you are entering or exiting, तो कभी देखा है कि वो दरवाजे खुद ब खुद खुलते हैं जब आप खास जगह पर आते हो? That is basically because उसमें reactive sensors लगे हुए होते हैं, ठीक है? So what I understand out of this last line is that when the robber or when the burglar will come close to the main door, what will happen? Because of his body heat, the sensors will be triggered, and as a reaction of the sensor, the halogen light will flicker on. ठीक है? क्योंकि वो लाइट खुद ब खुद ऑन हो जाएगी, बर्गलर भाग जाएगा. So this will have a prohibitive effect. It will prohibit, from the word prohibit. Prohibit का मतलब होता है to stop, to prevent. ठीक है? तो वो जब बर्गलर मेन दरवाजे के पास आएगा, कैमरा के सीसीटीवी कैमरा के करीब आएगा, उसकी बॉडी की वजह से या उसकी प्रेजेंस की वजह से सेंसर्स ट्रिगर करेंगे. सेंसर्स ट्रिगर करेंगे तो क्या होगा? ये हैलोजन लाइट स्विच ऑन हो जाएगी. जब वो लाइट ऑन हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? बर्गलर भाग जाएगा
या फिर अंधा हो जाएगा.
या फिर अंधा ही हो जाएगा. अगर तो इतनी बड़ी लाइट हुई तो फिर वो अंधा हो जाएगा, वरना वो भाग जाएगा. ठीक है? एंड व्हाट डज डैड से? ग्रेट, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है.
ये सार्केज़म है.
It means
सार्केज़म भी तो हो सकता है.
it means their dad agrees to the idea of installing this TV. And the boys, what do? What does Damien do? Damien goes to bed because Damien is not interested in all this.
मैं एंथनी कहाँ गया?
Unamused.
इसका पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
उड़ गया.
We'll quickly do the vocabulary.
खत्म हो गया टाइम.
हाँ टाइम खत्म हो गया. हम ये क्विकली ये कर लेते हैं. colloquial expressions. Money makes them act weird from paragraph 1. It means money makes them act strangely or oddly. To act weird is a grammatical expression used in speech only. ठीक है? Why are you acting weird? ठीक है? We often say this to our friends, to our mates. Why are you acting weird? She's acting weird. ठीक है? Money-ish from paragraph 2. Damien has made up this word. See, I told you earlier on, Damien has made up this word to mean concerned with money or materialistic. Then he is following the pattern of adjectives such as selfish, childish. ठीक है? अच्छा, fiendish, foolish, noun plus suffix ish. Advertisers and journalists often make up such adjectives. For examples, chocolates are said to be very Moorish. Do you remember the Krispy Kreme donuts in Unit 4, Book 7? Have you read this?
ध्यान है यार.
पढ़ा था ये Krispy Kreme donuts के बारे में?
Yes.
हाँ, वहां पे भी चॉकलेट फ्लेवर्ड जो डोनट्स थे उनके बारे में यही था कि यू चॉकलेट मेक्स द डोनट्स मोरिश. ठीक है? यू वांट टू ईट मोर. Clear? With that, we come to the end of our lesson. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss the question answers.
11:45 आना.
Sorry?
11:45 आना.
11:45 क्या करने आना है? हाँ, 11:45 आना है आप लोगों ने जी. बात
क्या करने आना है?
हाँ, अभी टाइम नहीं है वरना मैं अभी कर लेती. मैंने आप सबसे बात करनी है. ठीक है? So please join the session at 11:45. मैं अपने पास
मैंने सोना है.
मैंने डांटना है आप लोगों को. नहीं
Simple
सिंपल
नहीं
वर्ड्स.
हो रही है.
क्लास लेनी है तुम लोग.
हाँ, क्लास लेनी है. ज्यादा लंबी नहीं लूंगी. 15 मिनट.
मैम लेकिन मैं तो लेती हूँ क्लासेस. मेरा क्या कसूर है?
मैम जो बोल रहे हैं मैसेज कर दें ग्रुप में.
नहीं, ग्रुप पे नहीं मैसेज करना ना.
जी मैम, ये सही है.
कैमरे ऑन करके बात करनी है बच्चों. मैंने
इंटरैक्टिव
मैं-
सेशन.
मैं कैमरा खोल के टेप लगा दूंगा कैमरा.
ठीक है ना. 11:45 पे